42% of the total population of the state belongs to less than 35 years of age. Thus, with these blessings lies the onus of harnessing this demographic dividend and reaping the benefits of its growth of the economy. However, this is possible only when we equip this strength with a powerful tool called skill development. Odisha has been proactively involved in the skill development initiative by launching the Chief Minister Employment Guarantee Scheme. Presently, 18 departments in the state are involved in implementing various skill programs and have collectively completed a total training of 3.3 lakhs candidates in the last 2 years. Recently, Odisha Skill Development Authority has been launched by our Honorable Chief Minister as an umbrella agency to all the skill development programs running in the state. The state has an ambitious aim of training and lakhs candidates in the next 3 years from now. This aim is supplemented by the vision of integrating every aspect of skilling ecosystem and building a comprehensive environment beginning from schools and colleges and extending to ITIs as well as short-term skill development programs. The state has also taken an initiative to build an advanced skill training institute which would be linked to the ITIs in a hub and spoke model to provide higher and skilled training programs to the youth. The state has designed its own investment policy, startup policy, and also the youth policy, which would collectively work towards both the demand and supply of workforce in the state. Our state has aligned its aim and objectives to the vision of our country and is moving in fast pace towards its fulfillment.